Everybody by now knows about Temu, right? But today I'm going to show you a multi-million-dollar per month Shopify niche store called Timo, okay? Or Timo. And what they're called is actually Timo Beauty. Now, you see here, right? Like, we're going to get right into it. We're not going to waste any time because this is insane. They're doing a ton of money every single month. And look at how many ads they're running. 2,200 different active ads. I have this as active ads right here. Now, that's not all. The way I actually found this store is through Calidata, and they're actually doing $889,000 a month on TikTok Shop. And then on their store, they're doing over 200,000 monthly visitors if you average out the last 3 months. Now, what do? Is they sell beauty gadgets, right? They sell these beauty products that are actually pretty popular dropshipping products. Now, I don't know if they're dropshipping or not. What we want to do here is actually just go to their shipping policy, and we'll see that on their page, on their page, they show you that on their site, they're dropshipping because you actually can't dropship on TikTok Shop US. So they definitely have a third-party logistics company that they're shipping product out to so that they can actually be a part of TikTok Shop. But here's the genius thing, guys. This is like literally so valuable for you to learn. Because they're going so viral on TikTok Shop, not only are they getting a ton of revenue, obviously, and profit and brand awareness, but it's also dripping into their site. So I'm sure a lot of this traffic actually is just organic. But guess what? The way that they're able to launch 2,200 active creatives is because these are literally all TikTok videos. These are all people on TikTok that are making these videos. And as you see, like, they're exclusively running these video ads. It's the same thing that Hi Smile does. They're just hyper active when it comes to video ads and exclusively Reel/Instagram story post or Facebook stories too. This is an amazing placement that you can use with meta ads. And this is something that we talk a lot about in the accelerator, which, by the way, today we're having our first accelerator call with all the members. It's a very exclusive community, networking community, mastermind accelerator. The reason it's called the accelerator is because we want to accelerate businesses, the future e-commerce businesses, and potentially become an investor in them or partners. So make sure you join that. It's in the description. It's not cheap. You can book a call with us if you want to learn more about it. But this is what a Chemi accelerator is. It includes everything in the Discord, everything. And this is really the only thing we offer now when it comes to our education side of things. Obviously, we still have the agency. We're still working with a bunch of clients, and we're still driving great results. But now we want to take it to the next level, and we want to do it with you. I want to do it with the community, right? But if you see this, as I said, they are dropshipping their store orders here that come through Shopify, which is actually really, really smart because this allows them to cash flow heavily, which they probably then reinvest into inventory for their TikTok shop. And I'm guessing Amazon too. Let me actually check Amazon and see Timo Beauty if they're on here. They are. So they're on here. Timo. So let's just click this one and let's see. Free delivery Monday, May 20th. So 4 days. So this is definitely fulfilled by merchant. It doesn't give you the option of like daily, like 1 day shipping, which tells me that they're probably using a third-party logistics site to fulfill the orders on Amazon and on TikTok Shop, which is so clever. This is the meta. This is how the biggest brands are going to start operating. It's through keeping Shopify as their data collection, flagship online presence, but then utilizing the marketing or the sales channels, the social sales channels, including Amazon, to just drive a ton of revenue, a ton of sales, actually pretty profitably. On Amazon, you do get a lot of cuts, like they take a lot of fees. And honestly, TikTok Shop too, now they charge 8%, which is pretty significant. Amazon charges 15%, but that's only on the sales that you acquire through Amazon or the sales that you acquire through TikTok Shop. But on Shopify, you're paying 3% fees on Shopify payments, which is not even close to the amount of fees that you pay on other platforms. And you get to own your email list. You get to own your data with the Pixel, with the Facebook Pixel, which this obviously does have. It has a Facebook Pixel installed on here, of course. Now let me see one thing. I want to shop all, and I'm gonna go to. Can you actually filter this by best selling? I can't. So what we want to do then is, okay, they're so smart. This is such a simple store too. Like, that's what I love about it. It's just how simple it actually is. But they don't let you look at the best sellers, which is smart. Now, this one is probably one of the best sellers. This is a very, very popular dropshipping product. And it's really clean. I mean, this is a very nice landing page. They got a lot of authority right here, which is really smart. And then a lot of images. This looks like an Amazon listing. This is how Amazon lists their products. They just have images as opposed to a lot of text, which is really smart because nobody wants to read text. People just want to see the images and go based off of that, which is really smart. It's really good to do that. And then an FAQ at the bottom. Super clean. They don't even list. Oh, actually, they do list reviews, but very simply, this is just the Judge Me review app, which a lot of dropshipping stores use. So, really, the difference between a dropshipping store and a big brand like this is commitment to the brand. That's all it is, because these guys are still operating via the dropshipping business model on their Shopify store, yet they're taking advantage of everything, every other sales channel, Meta, everything, in order to just really take the brand to the next level. And I'm guessing they're probably going to start utilizing Meta shops, utilizing YouTube shops, and building out like, $1 billion beauty brand, right? Because beauty is such a crazy niche, and you'd be surprised. It's kind of the same thing that TikTok has done. They've done what Amazon has been trying, or what they've accomplished in 30 years, they've done it in 5. And the brands now that are taking advantage of all these systems are accomplishing what took traditional brands 30 years to accomplish. They're doing it in 5 or even less. So that's what's super exciting about this era of e-commerce, is that it's all moving so quickly, and it's all there for the taking. Like, we can take advantage of all this, and that's why I'm just so eager to push people towards the accelerator, because I want us to be able to take advantage of this opportunity together. Of course, I have my team. Of course, we have a really streamlined process for helping brands grow, but also now capitalizing on our own ideas. But I would love to just be able to help your brand grow, and then do it together, right? And really build like a massive conglomerate through our community, the Akemi community. How dope would that be, right? If we're all working together as opposed to, competing against each other. So yeah, that's what this store is. It's a brilliant store, a Shopify niche store in the beauty niche, which is super smart. And yeah, I just wanted to share it with you. That's really about it. Peace.